Myself Mani Saxena, class 10th. Again, I'm starting with the same topic, and in part 5, that is chapter number 4, and I've stopped on retreating southwest monsoon, which is stopped again. Some main points I'm telling about, that is October to November in a very short duration period, and low pressure also in central area starts swinging and is no longer able to attract the monsoon winds towards land. It causes rain in coastal regions on the eastern coast, the south of Krishna Delta, and the interior districts. Now we are starting with the next is that is characteristics features of the retreating monsoons, and it is a tropical depressions. The retreat of monsoons takes place due to migration out, means it's migrate, the sun migrates towards the south. Now it's migrated towards the southern area and withdrawal of the southwest monsoon season. Thus is a transition period between the hot rainy seasons and the cold dry season in the months of October and November. The transition period is marked by the occurrence of tropical depressions. Tropical depression means that is a low pressure over here system which travel across the country in west to northwest direction, generally originated wherein it's originating into the Bay of Bengal and namely in the Arabian Sea. Whenever they occur, they cause tremendous loss of life and property due to heavy rainfall also sometimes, usually in the eastern coastal regions of India. The parts of winter rainfall. Now it's starting in the winter rainfall in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh is caused by the retreating monsoon. Sometimes cyclones are also accompanied by strong surface winds. These are having the dense clouds, sun rings and heavy downpours or heavy rainfall. The withdrawal of monsoon leads to clear cloudless sky, high temperature and high humidity during the months of October. You know that's in October months that the temperature is also not normal temperature is over in the month of October. This sultry and oppressive weather also sometimes and often known as, and it is also known as, we are talking about October heat. Now we are talking about the next feature is characteristics of southwest monsoon, and we have already explained that what type of southwest in which rainfall conditions are very high and from which states is starting. It's hit by the in Kerala till 1st June. The distribution of rainfall is not uniform. Sometimes southwest monsoon causes rainfall in most of the country except in Tamil Nadu. Their duration also according to the varies 2 to 4 months. Even the amount of rainfall varies from rainfall, means amount of rainfall is different from region to region. Erratic nature. Erratic nature, that is irregular nature of southwest monsoon, is evident from the fact that sometimes part of the country may be facing floods also, and sometimes it's mostly other parts may be severe drought conditions due to scanty rainfall. Means some area to flood and some area, you know, that Rajasthan having a drought conditions also there. Mostly northwest of Rajasthan and the rain shadow area, which is a rain shadow area I told you just now, that is in Deccan. Rain shadow areas of Deccan. Due to the local variations of heat and moisture during the months of October and November, low pressure systems originates at the Bay of Bengal. These are the depressions whenever the temperature convectional rainfall. Which type of rainfall occurs? Convectional rainfall. There is more common in South India, especially on the eastern coast. The variability of rainfall in time and space plays a very important, but its a main part is for the monsoon. Farmers are mostly depend on the monsoons with agricultural production of the country. Therefore, the life of Indian farmers revolves around the monsoon region. Characteristics features of southwest. Now starting the next is that is the temperature, the cold seasons or the seasons of the northeast monsoon. Southwest we have completed. Now the cold seasons we are talking about the last season, the cold season, and it starts northeast, that is December to March. What type of characteristics? Clear sky, pleasant weather, temperature is very low, that you know in December seasons, and humidity is also there. High range of temperatures and slow northern winds are the chief characteristics of this season. What are the temperature conditions in the north? What is the temperature condition? It's over here, it's very, conditions are very, the temperature is very, whatever, it's very low. Part have a mean temperature below 21 and much low in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Haryana over here. January is the coldest month when the temperature is in Gangetic Plain ozone. The night temperature falls below freezing points in many hilly areas. Kargil is the coldest place in India with minimum temperature recorded as minus 45 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature conditions in the south. What are the temperature conditions? What type of these lines I have drawn? That is the isotherms lines which I have drawn also over here. Now the temperature conditions in the south. The area south of Tropic of Cancer remains warm, means over here to very cold, but the southern peoples are having what type of temperature? Remains warm and do not have distinctly winter weather. The isotherms I have drawn also the isotherms line which is the same temperature. It means isotherm means which is having a same temperature in this particular area, which lines I had drawn. Parallel to the tropic of and divides India into two northern and southern parts. In south of the isotherm, the temperature remains 21. In the extreme south, 25. January temperature at Trivandrum. Trivandrum is 31 degrees Celsius. Now the pressure conditions and the wind direction. As we have discussed, because of the apparent migration. Migration means the sun gets migrated in which latitude line? In Tropic of Capricorn. Now the sun movements towards south and it's directly overhead on Tropic of Capricorn. That's why we are following the which type of season? We are following winter season over here in the northern area. The oblique rays means now we are getting the oblique ray. At that time when we are following hot season, we are getting the overhead sun. Now we are getting the oblique rays of the sun during the winter. As a result of high pressure builds up on the land with low pressure center on the water body. Now previous time we are following high pressure over here and low pressure in the interior. Now we are following in the interior high pressure and the sea areas we are following the low pressure. As such offshore winds also start blowing low pressure areas contained in the center in the Bay of Bengal. Now the rainfall during the colder seasons in Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu. During winter, dry offshores means which type of winds are blowing? The dry. Dry why we are taking no rainfall. That's why we are giving the name the dry offshore winds, which is northeast monsoon winds blow from high pressure region in low region centered at the head of Bay of Bengal. These winds do not bring rain to Ganga Valley, but as they proceed after crossing the Bay of Bengal, they gather enough moisture. As the result, strike the Coromandel coast. Means which coast is over here? That is Coromandel coast. On eastern India, Tamil Nadu and in southern tip of Andhra Pradesh gets heavy rainfall accompanied by strong wind. They cause heavy damage also, means if Tamil Nadu in the southern area, they cause heavy damage to standing crops or teen transport, receive nearly 70 centimeter of rainfall during the winter season. Now the precipitations in the form of snow also in the high regions of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. They give up to 10 to 50 centimeter of rainfall to Punjab, Haryana and UP as they proceed eastward, causing cold wave in the surrounding range. This rainfall is also known as cyclonic rain and it is beneficial to crops, especially which type of crop? Wheats and barley. Now the next features I am starting with the characteristics features of the cold weather season. What is the characteristic? Means over here the winter season's temperature is very low over here. This is a season when northeast takes over southwest and the onset of the northeast is not so clearly. The special feature of this season is a variation in the winter temperature north of the Tropic of Cancer, which goes or decreases as one goes towards north, and south of the Tropic of Cancer, which goes on increasing as one goes towards south with a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. A characteristic feature of the cold weather season is the inflow of western disturbances originating from Mediterranean Sea. The frequency of this rainfall is between December and January. Winter rainfall is caused by the depression and they are associated by the western disturbances moving out from the Mediterranean Sea. They gave up to 10 to 15 centimeter of rainfall in Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand and western UP as they proceed eastward, causing cold waves also in around western Himalaya. The special feature of this season is the variation in the winter temperature only. The which type of crop is grown here? The Rabi crop, which is wheat in northwest India and rice in Tamil Nadu, depend on which type of rainfall? Winter rainfall. Hence, it is of great economic importance, affecting the production of these crops. The cold weather season in the country is generally marked by fine cool weather, low humidity and large variation in the range of temperature. The last topic of this chapter is the annual distribution of rainfall. Means what type of rainfall, which area, how much rainfall is containing. First is areas with over 200 centimeter of rain. Second is areas with 100 to 200 centimeter. Areas with 50 to 100 centimeters and areas with less than 50 centimeter. Areas of with 200, north of Tropic of Cancer, south of north of Tropic of Cancer. Which type of I told you? That is Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, Assam, commonly known as Assam. Means they are also known as Assam Hills. Next is south of Tropic of Cancer, western slopes of Western Ghats, Kerala, Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. Areas with 200 to 2 centimeter areas are Middle Ganga Valley, Bihar, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. And in the south we are talking about then Telangana, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. Now areas with 50 to 100 centimeters are Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And in the south, if we are taking about Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu also. Now areas with less than 50 centimeter, Western Rajasthan, regions of Deccan in the rain shadow of Western Ghats. Now on the whole, annual rainfall decreases north and westwards in northern area, and the rainfall decreases towards the interior. Means the rainfall conditions is according to the areas. This much topic we have covered it. The full topic we have covered of chapter number, that is a climate of India, that is chapter number 4. And now what you have to do, the assignments you have to do, I'm dictating, you write it on an outline map of India. You have to mark Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats. I'm writing over here. First is Western Ghats, next is Eastern Ghats, third is Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Lusai Hills. Second questions you have to do, write the characteristics features of that is southwest monsoon. You have to write the characteristics features of southwest monsoon. You have to write the characteristics features of cold weather season. These 2 questions you have to do, 3 questions, and one thing is more important, which is giving in the back of your chapter, that these pink sheets, have you seen class, these pink sheets are giving, you have to learn these sheets very thoroughly, that previous years or board questions are giving with their answers. Please, these answers or question answers, you have to prepare it for your board exams only, please. And after each chapter this sheet is given. Please don't waste your time and start learning these answers, class 10. Thank you, class.